Welcome back to another generic versus name brand. Today we're testing Windex. So is more money more better? Let's find out.
Spray sunshine, it makes you feel fine when you put on a Windex shine.
I mentioned before that some generics are made in the same factory as the name brand stuff, and this might be because they both say SC Johnson Company on the back of them. So there's a good chance these are made in the same place. Let's check the ingredients. Both start with water, obviously. This is all gonna be stuff I can't read, quite frankly. So I will put pictures up and show you. They do look like they're slightly different compositions. Not even hardly anything I see that's the same. One thing I do notice is this has ammonium hydroxide, and I'm not seeing that on the generic, which if you have something you're trying to clean that could be damaged by ammonia, you might not want to use the Windex. But I've got a window here with some water marks on it, some water stains on it, and I'm gonna test each one of these and see if the Windex works better than the generic glass cleaner, all right? So I'm gonna do the Windex on this side, the generic on that side. So let's get the Windex here. And let's wipe it down. Now, I purposely picked this window because it has some water stains on it, because we have some hard water out here and it just leaves little water droplet marks. This window also sits behind a screen normally, so I knew it wasn't gonna be super clean. The Windex looked like it did a pretty good job even getting rid of some of those hard water marks. All right. This one down. Looks like they both did a great job. So in this very basic test, just simply doing a window, the Windex didn't perform any better than the generic. The generic did a great job. In this case, the generic wins out, both in your pocketbook and does just as good of a job. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Put on a Windex shine, wipe off the dirt and cheer up. Put on a Windex shine, spray sunshine all over the place.
Only Windex has ammonia D, so nothing shines like it.